Mama Shade's world. Welcome to Mama Shade's world. Hey y'all, I know y'all like her. She gonna get it together with this hair. Yesterday she was wide awake. Today she back straight. I don't know, but I just love the straight. I don't know why. It's just a little bit too long for me and be doing a little bit too much, but I'm gonna go get it cut. I had to get out in this stuff, y'all. It is, and it's still snowing. But I guess because I was these many years old when I realized when they made these new license plates, it says the new Michigan license plates, it say Michigan Winter Wonderland. I never knew that. Never. Hell, I thought it was like this. It's in most places. Wait a minute. He got on some shorts. Yep, and he wanted. Y'all, my thing on my truck say it is 2 degrees out here. The number 2, 1, 2. He got on shorts. Yeet the D. The roads look horrible. But thank goodness for having an SUV and some great tires. Eat the D. I'm still gonna be safe. Like this motherfucker just ran the red light. Who just? Sometimes it ain't you in your vehicle you got to worry about. It's the people that's on the road you got to watch out for. Weird, but I had to get out today, y'all. I stayed in the house for 24 whole hours. It reminded me of the pandemic. I started breaking out in hives, so I had to get out. I had to. I got on my moon boots, eat the D, the little Fendi, you know. The wind better not blow too hard because I didn't attach this wig. I just threw this hat on. I just threw it on. It's cute though. I wonder how many people do that. Put their wigs on and just throw a hat on. Yeah. Eat the D. And I actually. Some of these people ain't open. They don't even look like they open. Thank God for remote car starter because I started my truck like 2 or 3 times to melt down the snow because it's that hard, crunchy snow. That white, fluffy, the soft, fluffy snow be looking good. Oh, they open. Thank goodness. I need to get my glasses fixed. They can at least fix one pair. They can keep the other one. I might just buy me a new pair. Y'all, some things this social media, so I ain't have a chance to, you know, do what y'all wanted to do, and I said I'm gonna stay out of people's business and mind the business that pays me. With Takia's boo, I don't even know if that's still her boo. Is it? Yeah, I think it is. Because last night I was just scrolling and they was on live, and the way they was talking. First off, let me tell you a question. That girl said she's 24 years old. But was talking reckless in front of some kids. Yeet the D. I guess, you know, it is what it is. You can't judge people. But then when they see me, I messed up the party. I messed up the nasty party. So when they see me in there, then they tried to clean it up, so I hurried up and left. Eat the D, because somebody asked me on my live yesterday, was she gonna get the round table, and ain't. Sometimes I listen to the universe, y'all. Now, this storm, 1st December, the sicknesses and the holidays stopped the December round table. But it's still early in the month. Not saying that there's not gonna be one, but I was supposed to get it done Thursday, then Friday. Then I said, okay, we'll try Sunday because I knew I couldn't get it done Saturday. And then I said, well, maybe I try today. And I wasn't going to tell y'all or them. I just wanted to get out here and see what the roads was like. And they only built for local runs only. That's it. So, So these are the ones that I don't like no more, and I said I would never wear them again. And see, you gotta watch what you say, because then all of a sudden they broke. So I don't even know if I'm gonna waste my money to get these fixed. I think I got insurance on them. I might just go in here and pick up another pair. And then these are I call these my retro handy dandy. I think I had these for 10 years. But the lens are scratched, and then this nose piece right here is broken. I was like, why do I got a bruise on my nose? Oh, that's why, because I kept like, why do I have a bruise on my nose? So, literally, I think I had these, seriously, almost 10 years. Yeah. So I'm gonna go in here and see what they can do for me. Yesterday. All them bags and purses I have, when it's cold outside, I don't be bothered with. But that's backwards. Come on, get it together, Shay. You should carry them when it's cold outside, so you don't have to have your hands all out. Okay, y'all. I'll be right back. I ain't built for that out there. I'm not. Y'all, let me tell y'all a question. Them glasses, people, they crazy. So I get a warranty with anything that's costly. I get a warranty on them, right? This dude told me $400 to fix my glasses. Check, please. I'll just get a different pair because I don't like them anyway. Anywho, what was I even talking about? I forgot what I was talking about on that vlog. You want to eat? Look. Really? He's trying to act shy. There. 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 You want to go down there? Huh? You want to go down there? No? You mad?